Good morning, everyone. It is truly an honor to be here today to celebrate Manufacturing Day in Pennsylvania. And I am here on behalf of my good colleague and friend, Senator Devlin Robinson, who serves as the current co-chair of the Senate Manufacturing Caucus. Senator Robinson could not be here today due to a prior commitment, and as the former co-chair, I am so very proud to fill in and stand with you to support Pennsylvania's manufacturers and workers. Now, when we talk about manufacturing in Pennsylvania, we are talking about part of our identity. From steel that built America to Harley-Davidson motorcycles rolling out across the state to chocolate and, of course, the amazing snack foods that are sent around the world, Pennsylvania has always been a place that makes things. And here's how you know it's in our culture. On Friday nights, our towns gather under the lights. On Saturdays, it's blue and white in Happy Valley or blue and gold in Pittsburgh. And on Sundays, half the state bleeds green for the Eagles, and the other half, well, they wave the terrible towel for the Steelers. Now, rivalries in Pennsylvania, they run deep. But no matter which team you cheer for, there's one thing that unites all of us. And that is the pride of seeing something stamped made in Pennsylvania. That's our common ground. That's our identity. And in many ways, manufacturing is like football. It's about teamwork. It's about preparation. It's about having a game plan and executing it day after day. Every player has a role, and every worker, whether they're on the shop floor or in a lab or behind a machine, they are essential to the success of the team. And the facts show just how strong this team really is. More than 500,000 Pennsylvanians work in manufacturing. Together, they contribute well over $100 billion in value each year to our state's economy. In the York-Hanover region, which I am so very proud to represent, more than 32,000 people are employed in this sector. And just like football has ripple effects from fans to concessions to broadcasting, every dollar spent in manufacturing creates nearly 2 more in economic activity, supporting suppliers, truck drivers, restaurants, small businesses all across our Commonwealth. But just like in football, we can't only look at the scoreboard today. We have to think about the next quarter. We have to think about the next game, the next season. York County alone lost nearly 6,000 manufacturing jobs in the first 2 decades of this century. And that's a reminder that if we don't adjust our playbook, we risk losing ground. So how do we stay competitive? We stay competitive by investing in the pipeline of talent through career and technical education so that next generation is ready to take the field. We stay competitive by streamlining permits and cutting red tape so manufacturers can expand without delays holding them back. We stay competitive by partnering our industries with our colleges and our universities so that innovation moves from the classroom to the production line. And by protecting the Made in Pennsylvania brand, because when we choose Pennsylvania made, we strengthen our own team. The truth is, manufacturing is our identity. It is the backbone of our economy, it is the pride of our communities, and it is the playbook for our future. And just like football, it's about legacy. The names on the jerseys, they may change, but the tradition, it continues. So today, as we recognize Manufacturing Day, let's make it a recommitment to the workers who are the heartbeat of our economy, to the communities that depend on them, and to the future of a Commonwealth that has always been a place that makes things. In Pennsylvania, rivalries, they may play out on the football field, but the real victories are earned in our factories, our plants, and our shops. Games are decided in 4 quarters, but manufacturing is the game that never quits. And if we want Pennsylvania to keep winning, to stay competitive, to create opportunity, and to leave a legacy for the next generation, then we need to keep playing offensive. Made in PA is more than a label. It is our strength, it is our story, and it's how we're going to keep building the future. And that brings us to why we are here today. It's not just to talk about the importance of manufacturing, but to formally recognize it with the weight of the Pennsylvania Senate behind it. So on behalf of my good friend and colleague, the gentleman from Allegheny County, Senator Devlin Robinson, the co-chair of the Manufacturing Caucus, it is my great privilege to present a Senate resolution recognizing Manufacturing Day in Pennsylvania. This resolution affirms what we all know, that manufacturing is the backbone of our economy, employing more than 500,000 Pennsylvanians and generating over $100 billion in revenue each year. It acknowledges the incredible men and women across all 67 counties whose skill and dedication keep Pennsylvania competitive in the global economy. But more than that, this resolution is a statement of commitment, a commitment that Pennsylvania will continue to invest in workforce development. It will continue to encourage innovation. It will continue to streamline regulations, make the permitting system work, and strengthen the Made in Pennsylvania brand that unites us all. And just as every great team, it takes the field with focus and purpose, this resolution is our way of stepping up. It's our way of saying that manufacturing will remain a priority, not only today, but every day. It is my great honor to present the Senate resolution recognizing manufacturing in Pennsylvania to David Taylor from the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Association. Thank you to you and your members for all that they do for our economy, our communities, and our Commonwealth.